Hello everyone, Mike Arnold here, co-founder of Path Trading Partners along with Bob Iacchino. So, checking in on IOTA. IOTA formed a really nice double top and a divergence up here. You can see lower low RSI, higher high in the price. Also, if you did a backward scan box here, and you actually had the right levels on there, which I'll have to fix in a second. So we need the correct levels. You see how it hit the first, our 12.5, formed a divergence. So again, don't need to do anything. You just notice it hit that and retraced and formed a divergence and formed a potential double top, which was then triggered, went down to the first target area, formed a double bottom, came up here, hit the first, second, and just slightly missed the third, and then came back down. So this pattern is complete. This one's not yet. This one is still valid. So this could easily still go lower. Again, key support coming in at this 103 to 102.82 area. If we do break below that, watch for 99.87, then 96.47, and potential reversal patterns back down there. What we really need to see in order to get any confidence in here again is to get back up probably about above the 115 area and get the rotation zone turning up and then catch on it and rotate back up. Just to recap, if we do that, the next level is 125.37. Then I'd be watching for really 128, then 132. Let's check into that daily chart though. That's much more important to see. So we did get to close above the rotation zone, got rejected in this area again a couple times. So sellers, anybody who bought in here, turned into sellers. They sold it. Now it's back below the rotation zone. Tried to get up there again. Now drifting back down. So this is, I'm in cautious to bearish mode again. I'm going to be watching for the potential bigger pullback. There is a lot of support. Again, you can see even on the daily chart right around this level. That's where you had a prior resistance becoming support. But if it does fall below that, the next major area of support is at the bottom of these candles and right around this 96.47 area. You can see a lot of wicks in there where dip buyers came in before. So be very patient. No need to get aggressive with IOTA. Switching over to Litecoin. Litecoin also formed a double top. It's sloppy because of this big sideways thing, but at least it was at the first target. So I'm using the levels to key off. If it came down to this first level area, this 79.67 to 80.22 area, rallying back up, not invalidating the pattern yet, forming another mini double top and trading back lower. I'm just going to keep watching for these levels lower. Next level down is 78.54. You had some dip buyers coming in there before. Then we have 76.93 to the upside. If we do rally back up again, I'd want to see it get easily above the about 85 level, then pull back and catch on the rotation zone and turn higher. If we do that, we'd be watching for 92 and then the major cluster at 94. Let's check in on the daily chart. So you can see, as opposed to IOTA, let me zoom in here so everybody can see it, we did not get above the rotation zone, rejected at the top, closing back on the 8, pretty much doji close right there, slightly bearish. Tried to get back in there, closing, and then falling back out. So there is a lot of resistance in here, especially around the 85.50 area. It really has to get above there, and I'd want to see it close above the rotation zone also on a daily basis before I really get bullish, because right now it's still lots of sellers coming in. These levels down below, this 80 level is going to be key. 79.67 to 80 is going to be key. And then once you break below there, you got some minor dip buyers coming at 78.54, but then next target 76.93, and below that, if we do get below that, I'd be watching down here around about 75 for the next major level down. That's what we have for you on Litecoin and IOTA, and we'll talk to everyone soon. Bye for now.